9 divisibility by 11. So for divisibility by 11, 68,770. So what we have to here to check that the given number is divisible by 11 or not. So the first number is 6, so write 6. After that 6, leave next number. So after 6 we are leaving here 8. Next to 8 we are having 7, so plus 7. Then again leave this number, so next number, then again 7. So 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 6 20. Now we are having 8 and 1, so 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Now we have to subtract these two numbers, so 20 minus 9, we are getting 11, and as you know 11 is divisible by 11, so this number is divisible by 11. One more question, 10,857. So the first number is 1, then just leave next number. After that we are having 8, so again then leave next number, then next to 5 is 7, so plus 7. 11 से डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करने के लिए जैसे फर्स्ट नंबर को आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर को छोड़ देंगे, फिर उसके नेक्स्ट नंबर को लिखेंगे, ऐड करेंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट नंबर को छोड़ देंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट नंबर को ऐड करेंगे. सो 16 we will get, then 0 plus 5, 5, and 16 minus 5, 11. So yes, this number is divisible by 11. Then next is divisibility by 15. So if a number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, if a number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then only it will be divisible by 15. Okay. Then question number 11, question number 12, question number 13. Question number 11, we have to check that the given number is divisible by 3 or not. For that we are having one variable there, m, which we have to replace by another digit. So the first question is 64, then m, then 3. Now we have to find m here. What will be the m here? So first we have to check that the given number is divisible by 3 or not. And for the 3, divisibility rule is what? Sum of digits. So the first one is 6, then plus 4, then plus m, then plus 3. Now 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 plus 3, 13. And we have to find that the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So 6 plus 4 plus 3, we are getting 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. After 13 we are having 14, so 14 is not divisible by 3. But after 14 we are having 15, and 15 is exactly divisible by 3. So that means if I will take m as 1, so I will get 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 3 14. So 14 is not divisible by 3, so I can't take 1 as a value of m. So now I will take 2. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 3 15. 15 is exactly divisible by 3. So yes, the possible value of m is 2 for this question. In this way you have to solve other two questions. Same question number 12, you have to check divisibility by 9. So one question I am solving from there. 7 7 5 4 8 m. So first 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus m. So 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 4 23. Clear? Then 23 plus 8 31. So we are getting here 31 plus m. Now divisibility by 9 is same as divisibility by 3, and the multiples of 9 are what? 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, and we are having here 31. if we will take value of m as 1, so 31 plus 1 32, not divisible by 9. If we will take value of m as 2, so 31 plus 2 33, again not divisible. If we will take m3, so we will get 34, again not divisible. So what we have to take here, simply if I will take value of m as 5, so 31 plus 5 36, and 36 is exactly divisible by 9. So in this way you have to check divisibility by 9. Then next is divisibility by 11. So first is 1, then after 1 next we have to leave, which is 4 here, and after 4 we are having m, so 1 plus m. Then after next we have to leave 7, but after 7 we are having 5, so 5. So simply 1 plus 5 6, so it will be like 6 plus m. Now 4 and 7, 4 and 7 11. Clear? So now we have to subtract here, but before that we have to assume value of m. Clear? So what we can assume here, simply in divisibility by 11, if you are subtracting two numbers, so you should get either 11 or 0. We are having here 11 and we are having here 6. If I will take value of m as 5, 6 plus 5 equals to 11. Now 11 minus 11 what? 0. So as per rule, if we are getting 11 or 0, then the number is divisible by 11. So we have to take value of m as 5. So 11 minus 11 0. इस क्वेश्चन में m की कुछ वैल्यू लेनी है, एज्यूम करनी है, आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी में फर्स्ट नंबर को लिखते हैं, फिर नेक्स्ट नंबर को लेफ़्ट करते हैं, स्किप करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद एक और नंबर को ऐड करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद एक को छोड़ के नेक्स्ट नंबर को ऐड करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे 1 प्लस m प्लस 5 होता है, तो 1 प्लस 5 कितना होता है? 6 होता है, और 6 प्लस m होता है. ये आपका एक वैल्यू आ गया. लेफ़्ट आपने कौन सा किया था, स्किप कौन सा किया था आपने? 4 और 7. तो 4 प्लस 7 कितना होता है? 11 होता है. अब या तो आपको 11 चाहिए जब आप इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, या तो आपको 0 चाहिए. तो जब इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 11 तो आएगा नहीं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे 6 है, बट 0 आ सकता है. 0 कैसे आएगा? 6 में आप क्या ऐड करोगे कि आपको 11 मिलेगा? तो सिंपली हम 6 में 5 ऐड करेंगे, तो इसलिए m की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 5. तो 5 प्लस 6 11, एंड 11 माइनस 11 0. तो ये नंबर डिविजिबल है किससे? 11 से. ट्रू फॉल्स यू कैन सॉल्व. ये चैप्टर नंबर 9.